Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about extracting the image metadata with the sharp in Node.js. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, let me go to my Node.js project. It's not that one. Node, top node, open in a terminal, nvm, use node 20, open the code base, and let's try to comment the previous one code. Okay, let's try to add our code over here. So this is simple one. Require sharp path to the image that you want to get the image meta. So here we need to give the information of any of this image. Rename, control A, control C. I'm going to make this path. I think definitely it will come. Let me check. Okay, so this is the image path. Then let's check, let's run it. It's very easy and very simple. Path, then metadata, then metadata console the image meta, else issue in extracting the metadata. Okay, let's go to the terminal. Node, what's the file name? Fileupload.js, fileupload.js. Here you can see all the meta information. Format is jpeg, width is this one, height, space, channels, depth, density, everything is coming over here, right? And if I go to that image and let's check the properties, here we go with the 252 jpeg, 252, and this one the same thing, it is coming. I think we have used 252 by 252 images, right? And here we go with the terminal. Here you can see format. I, that means it's correct. So this is how you will get the meta information of an image. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.